Now, the price of AMC was doing very well today, up about 10% on the day, and even after hours, it is still moving higher based on some acquisition news. No, nobody's buying AMC, nobody's acquiring AMC, but AMC is taking a very large stake in another company, and I do want to discuss it because it is going along with Adam Aron's plan and Adam Aron's basically redefinition of AMC Entertainment from some sort of an entertainment company that runs theaters to a financial services company that invests in poor and failing companies. So I want to discuss what this new acquisition is and why it may or may not be a good idea for AMC moving forward. So it sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit right now gets you guys 6 free stocks. It is their anniversary, so they got a special promo going on for the next couple of weeks. And then any $1 crypto trade, you're going to walk away with $5 in free crypto. So make sure to check that out, especially while the market's down. But guys, let's talk about AMC and this new deal that they've got going on out there because it's interesting, okay? I'm going to be upfront with you guys. I don't like it, but that doesn't mean that it can't be a moneymaker for AMC moving forward. So let's discuss a little bit about National CineMedia. All right, National CineMedia, AMC Entertainment, took a 6.8% stake in National CineMedia. I believe their current market cap was around $118 million, a very small company, and AMC walking away with, what, a $6 to $8 million investment in National CineMedia. What they do, based on everything that I've seen, is they've got advertisements and stuff that go on the big screen before the movies play in different movie theaters across the globe, and then they've got different, I guess, interactive and online things where they also advertise. So it's basically an advertising firm for a CineMedia, right? If you're watching movies and so on, you got those advertisements that go on there. Now, this could be good in a couple of ways. If AMC does have some sort of a I guess a controlling factor or some sort of a decision making in CineMedia, it could be great for advertising. I mean, that would be nice. A little awkward to advertise in another theater, for an AMC theater. I don't know if that's going to happen. But I do want to talk about the numbers on National CineMedia because Adam Aron really going on a rampage lately and buying up stocks like Highcroft Mining, where he bails his buddy at Mudrick Capital out and takes on an extremely risky investment in a company that is facing liquidity issues and moving in and allowing that company to dilute shareholders, aka the apes, the retail investors that are following Adam Aron and his investments with AMC. National CineMedia, guys, I don't know their current situation with what they've got due right at the moment, but they are sitting on negative earnings of roughly 20 cents per share during the last quarter. So the last earnings release they had was a negative 20 cents per share earnings. Very, that's a drastic decrease, or that's a drastic loss per share, especially for such a small company and one that is in, I guess, financial hardship. Let's put it that way. If you look at their balance sheet, you can see that National CineMedia has roughly $130 million in cash. Sounds great, right? $130 million in cash, and they've got $100 and so million market cap. Everything's looking good. Not so fast. Sitting on $130 million cash, and they've got some more fixed assets and so on, and they've got some accounts receivable and so on. It puts their assets roughly around $190 to $200 million. That's awesome. Their debt, on the other hand, their liabilities are $1.2 billion. And if you've got $1.2 billion in liabilities, and here's the part that really stretches me. They are claiming $600 million in intangible assets. Intangible assets, guys, that's things like goodwill and what they use to balance their balance sheet. right? They just tack it on because they believe it's worth this much. Hey, they got a crazy name, man. Newbie. Who wants to go watch a movie at the movies, right? And whatever they can come up with for these valuations to justify a $600 million intangible asset. If it's intangible, man. Who's going to pay for something that's intangible? I don't know. But if you've got $190 million in assets and $1.2 billion in liabilities, you're underwater. There's no other way to look at that. You owe more than you are worth. And right now, every share in that company, it's got a negative book value. It is sitting on a loss, even if you include the $600 million in intangible assets. Now, Aron is not taking a huge stake, sitting on $1.6 billion in cash, investing roughly $8 million or so in National Cinemedia. It's not a drastic play that he's got to worry about losing that. Clearly, nobody wants to lose $6 plus $8 million or whatever, $8 million. Nobody wants to lose that, and it could turn out to be a good investment if things turn around. I believe National Cinemedia was sitting on roughly a $1.45 share price today. After hours, after the news was released, it jumped up to about, I think, $1.68. So it's already increasing in price. And the next major level of resistance is in that $2 range. So it is very likely that the price can go up. But it's also very concerning to me to see somebody in charge of a company like AMC Entertainment switching the focus from entertainment to financial services, diluting shareholders, and I guess bailing out failing companies. I don't know if Aron felt some sort of a special connection to investors that bailed AMC out. Now he wants to do the next thing, or he wants to do the same thing for other companies, or if he got really sentimental or something changed him. But it's very strange to me to watch the core competencies of an entertainment company switch to financial services. And hey, it might work out great. I mean, if he's going to make millions and millions and millions of dollars doing this, awesome. But I believe it's a very big risk for AMC to be taking on, especially when they are facing their own liquidity issues and they are facing their own hardships when it comes to having debt that far outweigh assets. And, National Cinemedia definitely outperforming AMC in terms of gains, up around 16-17% after hours, and AMC up between 2 and 3%. I want to know what you guys think, though. Down in the comments below, do you think that this new route for taking that $1.6 billion cash that we literally, the shareholders, the retail investors at AMC, handed AMC $1.6 billion in cash? This is how they are using it. That's the part I want to know what you guys think. Do you think that they are spending our money wisely, or do you think it's a little bit of a risk? Let us know in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, you know what to do. Click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got a link in the description for Webull. 6 free stocks right now. Best promotion they've ever got going on. Make sure to check that out. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.